Good morning, students. Today we are going to see our next chapter that is all about glass. Glass is one of the most beautiful substances. Here, glass means that glass. We are not talking about that glass on in which we take water or something liquid material to drink. Here glass means हम कांच की बात कर रहे हैं. Okay, I think you got it by reading this line. That is the very first line. That is, the glass is one of the most beautiful substances. Why it is beautiful? We will see in this chapter. Okay, glass is one of the most beautiful substances that we see around us. Just take a look around yourself and see how many things you can find that they are made up of glass. Okay, while watching this video you can also see that around you there are so many things that are made up of glass. Okay, कांच से बनी हुई बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. For example, light bulbs is there, bottles are there, jars are there, glasses are there. Here this glass means the glasses in which we take water or any liquid substances to drink, juice, water, anything, tea. Reading glasses means the specs, marbles, from marbles from which marbles with we play games. Okay, window panes, to name just few. These are the just few things that are made up of glass. Where does the glass comes from? Now, now the question arises, there are so many things made up of glass, but from where does the glass come? Okay, so we will see how glass is made. For finding out where does it come, we have to find how does it made. Okay, मीन्स कहाँ से वो आया है उसको फाइंड करने के लिए वो कैसे बनाया जाता है ये फाइंड करते हैं. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन will be how glass is made. As you can see in the picture, there is a powder. So the now you are thinking, you all will thinking that this is a powder. So how it can be turned into glass? And glass is very clean and very plain surface it is having. Okay, or different shapes it is having, different shapes. Okay, so how the powder, and that too a very rough powder is there, how it is converted into the plain glass surface. Okay, so we will see how glass is made. The glass that is used to make so many everyday things is a man-made material. Okay, it is a man-made material. Some of you were thinking that before this chapter, some of you will be thinking that glass is natural material, but it is not. It is man-made material. Okay, can you guess what is it made from? Any guesses? What is it made from? It may seems unbelievable. If when we will hear, or when we will read that from what glass is made, we will say that it is unbelievable, because the material is very different and very unbelievable to very very unbelievable to accept that glass is made up of that material. But this clear, transparent, and smooth looking material is actually made from sand. Nothing but sand, as you have seen in the picture. Okay, this is nothing but sand. Sand means wraith. Okay, glass is made by heating a mixture of clean white sand, and that too white sand. Okay, and chemicals like soda and lime. Okay, so what are the materials for making glass? That is clean white sand and chemicals like soda and lime. Okay, the mixture is heated in a furnace. Here a furnace means a type of container in which all the materials are put uh, put inside and mix it well, and it heated. Okay, heated in a furnace till it turns into hot liquid glass, because the chemical is with a kind of chemical like soda and lime is put within the furnace with sand, and it has given the heat. That's why it becomes a liquid, and liquid it becomes a liquid in liquid form, and then it cools down and it becomes tough and stiff and hard. Okay, so this is the procedure. We have to take a furnace. Furnace means here Furnace means here here is a container in which sand, chemicals like soda and lime are put in within that, and we have to heat that, and then it cools down and becomes stiff and hard, and that's how glass is made. Now the second question arises: how glass is shaped? There are different shapes, as we have seen earlier, that light bulbs, bottles, jars, glasses, reading glasses, marbles, window panes, car uh, car window panes, and some doors are today's era, some doors are also made up of glass. Okay, whole buildings are made up of glass. So there are different shapes. Showpieces are made up of glass, so, and in different shapes. Okay, for example, happy man is there. It is having a big tummy. Okay, and we can say uh, different shapes like some needle like needle shape, and it is also made up of glass. So while making that shape, and while making the happy man's model of glass, we have to shape glass differently. So how it is shaped means अलग अलग शेप्स के होते हैं ग्लास, तो उनको शेप कैसे दिया जाता है? वंस ग्लास हैज बिकम कोल्ड, स्टिफ एंड हार्ड. ओके, once glass become cold, stiff and hard, it is not possible to shape it. Okay, it is not possible to shape it. It is very simple maths. Okay, when a material when it is hot, we can give any shape. Like we can take here example of jaggery. Okay, if you have seen your mother or anybody making chickis for you, मतलब चिकी बनाते हुए अगर अपनी मम्मी को आपने देखा होगा, या फिर कोई भी स्वीट डिश जो जैगरी से बनती है, गुड़ से बनती है, गुड़ानी बनती है, तो उसमें क्या देखा आपने कि जब वो हीट रहता है, गर्म होता है, जब वो लिक्विड सब्सटेंस में होता है, तो उसको शेप देना बहुत ईजी रहता है. तिळाचे लाडू ना, तो वो जो लड्डू रहते हैं वो बनाना बड़ा इजी होता है गुड़ के हेल्प से, जब वो गुड़ गर्म होता है. लेकिन जब वो ठंडा हो जाता है, कोल्ड स्टिफ हार्ड हो जाता है, तब उसके शेप्स लड्डूस बनाना बहुत इजी होता है क्या? नो, वी फेस मेनी डिफिकल्टीज while making those laddus. So likewise, the glass is also same. When it becomes cold, stiff and hard, it is not possible to shape it in different shapes. Glass is brittle. Okay, that means it breaks easily. Means it can break easily. Once if you take any material or any things that are made up of glass and just throw it, it breaks easily. It has to be shaped into different articles when it is still hot and soft. Okay, at the time the material, the glass, the sand and chemicals are within the furnace, and when they are hot enough to shape them, we have to shape them there only. Okay, very hot glass is more like a liquid. You can pour it, mold it, roll it, press it, or even blow it to make a variety of shape. मीन्स बहुत गर्म अगर ग्लास होगा, मीन्स ये जो मिक्सचर होता है सैंड एंड केमिकल्स का, वो बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म होता है, तो वो लिक्विड फॉर्म में रहता है, तो हम उसको पोर कर सकते हैं, किसी और चीज़ में डाल सकते हैं, मोल्ड कर सकते हैं. अगर हमारे पास कोई मोल्ड है, पर्टिकुलर मोल्ड वी आर हैविंग, फॉर एग्जांपल सर्कल शेप और स्क्वायर शेप, हार्ट शेप, डिफरेंट ट्रायंगल शेप्स, if we have molds, we can mold it into another different shapes. We can roll it, we can press it, Even we can blow it for making variety of shapes into it. Hot liquid glass is poured into molds and hardened to make articles of various shapes and size. अब देखिए जो हॉट लिक्विड ग्लास होते हैं उनको मोल्ड्स में पोर किया जाता है, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट मोल्ड्स. फॉर एग्जांपल इफ वी हैव टू मेक हैप्पी मैन, ओके, हैप्पी मैन इज मीन्स a happy man means a fat man who is having a big tummy and which symbolizes happiness or good luck to anyone. And those are the showpieces for gifting options. Okay, so mostly they are made up of glass. For making that showpiece, for making that happy man, we have to take their mold. मीन्स वो मोल्ड रहना चाहिए, उसका सांचा कह सकते हैं. सो उस सांचे में इन दैट मोल्ड वी हैव टू पोर द लिक्विड, द हॉट लिक्विड ग्लास, एंड देन मोल्ड एंड हार्डन टू मेक आर्टिकल्स ऑफ वेरियस शेप्स. उनको उन मोल्ड्स में डाल के उनको शेप में आने तक उनको रखना होता है. इट कैन ऑल्सो बी रोल्ड आउट टू make flat sheets of glass. Okay, in another process molten glasses is floated on a bed of molten metal to make very flat glass sheets even of even thickness. Means जो molten glasses होती हैं, मीन्स दीज आर द पर्टिकुलर टाइप्स ऑफ ग्लास जो बनाने के लिए वो बहुत थिक ग्लास होती है. मीन्स फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ वी वांट अ डोर साइज और इफ वी वांट अ शीट साइज ग्लास, we have to make sure that our glass shape is very very thick. Okay, and those glasses are made very flat glasses, sheets of even thickness. Globes of hot liquid glass can be blown into bottles, bulbs, glasses and other objects. Means जो हॉट ग्लासेस लिक्विड होते हैं उनको बॉटल्स में, बल्ब्स में, ग्लासेस में और बहुत सारे ऑब्जेक्ट्स में कन्वर्ट किया जा सकता है. बट रिमेंबर वी हैव टू कीप इन माइंड दैट द लिक्विड शुड बी हॉट enough to make those shapes. Liquid glass can also be drawn out into very thin fibers and glass wools. Okay, liquid glass very thin fibers means we can say the very thin fibers means here we can say the types of means showpieces are there. means रस्सी की तरह वो फाइबर की तरह शेप्स होती हैं, बट दे आर मेड अप ऑफ ग्लासेस बिकॉज different types of showpiece for the decoration things we can make decorating things out of the glass. So this was all about glass first page, and the rest of the chapter we are going to see in the next video. Okay, so watch the video carefully.